The intent of the project is that the current housing backlog in South Africa is very high, in excess of maybe 2.4 million houses. There is a need to actually fast deliver houses in South Africa. And we believe at the university that 3D printing technology is one of the many technologies that can assist in that process. But the most important thing are three aspects. One is quality. We must be able to deliver quality houses. And the second is cost. It must be cost effective, right? And the third one, the speed of construction is very critical. In this case here, what are we looking at? We are looking at being able to deliver a top structure within 8 hours.
This project we're launching is to try to bridge the gap within the housing industry, especially the backlog of housing. We found that the project is very important in terms of construction and creating new opportunities. A lot of people have asking that our jobs are gone, but I've been saying new jobs have just locked in at our doors. We need to start looking at robotics, how we do things faster, efficiency. And at the end of the day, we're trying to bring better living to the people, to have efficient houses in terms of the energy. As we know, our country is facing that problem. We are solving it. We are expecting new careers to start looming so that we can change our country.